No problem.
Good morning, Bonanza 934 Tango at the FBO with the weather. We are IFR 22 Juliet Niner.
Number 934 Tango, can you accept 8,000 instead of 6,000 for a final?
Yeah, affirmative, we'll take that.
That way they can keep your route the same here. November 934 Tango is cleared to the 2 Juliet 9 Airport via radar vectors cross city, then direct. After departure, be a right turn heading 270. Climb, maintain 1,600, expect 8,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be 125.3, and your squawk is 7660.
Bonanza 934 Tango is cleared to the 2 Juliet Niner Airport via radar vectors across city, then direct on departure right turn 270. Climb, maintain 1,600, expect 8,010 minutes. Departure 125.3, squawk 7660.
Number 934 Tango, read back is correct. Are you at the FBO?
Affirmative and ready to taxi.
Number 934 Tango, runway 25, taxi via taxiway Delta, cross runway 18 on cross runway 18, and the wind 310 at 7, altimeter 2984.
25 via Delta, cross runway 18, 34 Tango. All right, we're out of here. I mean the incomparable Albert Whitted Airport, and heading north, where the weather has cleared sufficiently that we can finally land. It was overcast at 200 feet all night long, and I just figured I would overnight here in the Berg and make my way back up north this morning. With a Tower Bonanza 934 Tango, holding short 25 at Delta 5, ready for departure.
That's 34 Tango, Whitted, awaiting a release from Tampa.
Hold short 25, 34 Tango. Sometimes there could be a lengthy delay while they get their release from Tampa approach. Oftentimes they're more concerned about traffic going into Tampa International and MacDill. Want to get that traffic in before they get
Coming as a 34 Tango, runway 25, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 25, clear for takeoff, 34 Tango. Although today was a fairly expeditious. All right, we're cleared final. Nobody on final. Nobody's on the departure end. A couple of birds. No big deal. All right, we're out of here. All right, positive rate of climb here's coming up. And we're going to turn right to heading 270.
That's 34 Tango, contact Tampa departure.
Contact departure, we'll see you at 34 Tango. Tampa departure, good morning, Bonanza 934 Tango through 700 for 1.6, heading 270.
934 Tango, Tampa departure, ident, come and maintain 2,000.
Ident up to 2,000, 34 Tango.
Enter pressure, finally depth. We'll just amend. We'll just stay at 2.5 for now.
Right. 34 Tango, turn right heading 320.
Flight 320, 34 Tango. Well, we should have a terrific view of St. Pete Beach on the departure from Albert Whitted.
Traffic
off to the west.
Active, plotting 190.
190, I think was your 51, we never saw him.
These clouds don't get in our way.
Number 34 Tango, flighting 360.
360, 34 Tango. Well, folks, as you may or may not be able to see, we have a fair amount of traffic over Tampa Bay today. And I suspect that's why we're being kept at 2,000 feet on the departure. Typically, they'll take me out a little bit further west and climb me
Number
to...
34 Tango, I'll maintain 8,000.
Up to 8,000, 34 Tango. Well, I guess I misspoke.
To maintain 2,000.
We'll go to 8,000. Sounds good to me.
2,000, 7 lots, leads in 851.
Number 5 Lima Delta, descend VFR to below 1,600. Number 5 Lima Delta, descend VFR to below 1,600.
Copy to below 1.6 for 5 Lima Delta.
Yeah, so typically they vector you out over St. Pete Beach and the coastline, and then they climb you to about 3,000 feet.
34 Tango, contact cancel approach 118.8.
18.8, 34 Tango. And then, well clear of the airspace, then they'll climb you to your requested cruise altitude. Not so today. I guess it's Saturday morning, and traffic is, despite what we see here on the ADSB, relatively light. Tampa Bridge, good morning, Bonanza 934 Tango 3000, climbing 8,000, heading 360.
Bridge, good morning.
Hey, Tampa departure, Bonanza 934 Tango, I think I may have been stepped on there. 3.5, climbing 8,000, heading 360.
Nine 934 Tango, roger. Good morning. Proceed direct cross city.
Direct cross city, 34 Tango. Not bad. Not a whole lot of vectors today. This is good.
Silver Wings 82, descend and maintain 9,000.
9,000, Silver Wings 82. Tampa departure, below United 743 is 1,000, climbing 6,000 on the Bayport to 8.
United 743, Tampa departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 1-2000.
I maintain 1,2000, United 743.
November 535, Romeo Victor, turn right, heading 360.
Right 360, 5 Romeo Victor.
Southwest 3802, Tampa departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 1-2000.
Oh, to 1,2000, Southwest